Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Sweet Tips here, and this is one of my gold refining stock pots. If you look down in the bottom of that thing down there, you'll see that we've got some black mud that has accumulated over the last 2 years, and that black mud contains precious metals, including gold, platinum group metals. And so what we're going to do sometime here in the near future is go ahead and start processing these stock pots. That's pieces of copper wire in there. They keep it full of copper like that, so that when we take these solutions, I keep these solutions, all my gold refining waste goes in here into these 2 jars, and you can see there's some actual particles of pure gold built up on the bottom of those things. But what I do is I pour these solutions off. They could contain traces of precious metals. I pour them off into my gold refining stock pot. These gold refining waste solutions are kept separate and away from my silver refining waste. And there could be traces of precious metals in that liquid that I'm pouring off from the flask into the stock pot. And those traces of precious metals will cement out on those pieces of copper that are in the bottom of the stock pot and form that black mud. And then we can get in there and get the black mud out of there and refine it. Here you can see in the bottom of the waste container there's some particles of gold. We'll get that later. This is the first step in the waste treatment process. We pull all the precious metals out of these waste solutions, cement them on copper. The copper goes into solution. The precious metals, if any, comes out of solution, so that when we're done with this reaction in the stock pot, all we have is copper in solution. And then what I do with the copper is I transfer that to a waste treatment bucket full of angle iron, and then we take all the copper out of the solution in that waste treatment bucket, so that when we end up with the final solution is just iron in solution, and then that's easily treatable with sodium hydroxide. Here you can see that's my waste treatment bucket full of pieces of angle iron, and that's my other stock pot out there. It's ready to be placed indoors and settled out. Put a cover on that and just let it settle out. And that's stock pot number 2 that we just processed and put away. I leave it out here outdoors because it will produce some fumes, and I put it under a rain cover and just let it react. Okay, this will conclude the video. These stock pot videos are coming up very soon. Thank you for watching.